5 seconds. As I said, the second 5-year plan will proceed at a much faster rate of progress than is indicated in the present one. Stop. There is much talk of industrialization. Stop. In the initial chapters of the plan, certain figures pertaining to the amounts allotted to industry, agriculture, social service, transport, etc., are given. Stop. In this respect, industry does not seem to occupy as important a place as agriculture. Stop. If I remember correctly, a very large sum is to be spent on irrigation. Stop. We certainly attach importance to industry, semicolon, but in the present context, we attach far greater importance to agriculture and food and matters pertaining to agriculture. Stop. If our agriculture foundation is not strong, then the industry we seek to build will not have a strong basis either. Stop. Apart from that, the situation in the country today is such that, if our food front cracks up, everything else will crack up, to stop. Therefore, we dare not weaken our food front. Stop. If our agriculturists become strongly entrenched, then it will be relatively easy for us to progress more rapidly on the industrial front, whereas if we concentrate only on industrial development and leave agriculture in a weak condition, we shall ultimately by weakening industry. Stop. That is why primary attention has been given to agriculture and food, and that, I think, is essential in a country like India at the present moment. Stop. Para change. However, certain basic and key industries have been given due consideration. Stop. The essential basis for the development of industry is electric power. Stop. The progress made by a country can be judged by the electric power it has. Stop. That is a good test for development in any country. Stop. Provision has been made for electric power in the various hydroelectric and multi-purpose schemes in the plan. Stop. I do not propose to cover these two big volumes in my preliminary remarks. Stop. I have no doubt that honorable member mean to study them with great care and make their suggestions in the course of the debate. Stop. I would like to suggest that the first 4 chapters, in which the general approach, the principles and the objectives, which govern the plan as well as the structure of the plan are laid down, deserve more attention than the others and may profitably be studied with special care. The rest is the working out of details, and no parliament can sit down to work out details or priorities. Stop. A parliament can only lay down the objectives and the general structure that has to be followed. Stop. I submit, sir, that we should bear these general principles and objectives in mind while we determine the methods. Stop. If I may say so, we have already determined the methods and are working according to them. Stop. Even so, I wish to make our conception of democracy perfectly clear. Stop. It is not limited to political democracy. Stop. We do not think that democracy means the economic doctrine of laissez-faire. Stop. That doctrine is almost as dead as the century which produced it. Stop. In any event, so far as we in India are concerned, we reject it completely. Stop. We are not going to have anything to do with it stop. That comma, however, comma, does not mean that the state will take charge of everything stop. This plan will account for 2000 odd crores of rupees stop. There is a big gap between the estimate of our resources and the rupees 2000 crores stop. We hope to be able to expand our resources stop. We may receive help from other countries stop. We have already done so to some extent stop. Some honorable members have occasionally expressed their fear that this help from outside may impose restrictions on our freedom stop. It is perfectly true that such dependence involve a certain risk stop if we depend on others to supply us with weapons of war for our army or to see to our economic advancement, comma, we shall be weakening our position stop. Provided we are strong enough ourselves, comma, I really do not see why we should be afraid of accepting the kind of aid that help us to progress more rapidly stop. With that aid, we could do many things which we would have to postpone otherwise stop. There is no reason, comma, however, comma, why we should be afraid of accepting aid, comma, if it does not influence our policy or our activities in any way stop. I intended my remark to be a mere preamble to your consideration of this voluminous report stop. I have no doubt that in the course of this debate many points will be raised which will need to be dealt with by others members, comma, my colleague and myself stop. I would like to impart to the House something of what I feel on this occasion stop. The remaking of our country is a great theme and we are engaged in a tremendous task which requires not only all our united effort but united effort with enthusiasm and the crusading spirit stop. If the House accepts this report in the proper spirit, comma, I have no doubt that the plan will become a living thing for the country in the near future. Stop.